Once a year or 4 times? If you're self-employed in construction, MTD is live from April 2026. Here are 5. First, check your gross turnover. If you earned over £50,000 in 2024-25, you're in scope. And that's gross, before expenses, before CIS deductions. Second, you now have 4 deadlines a year: 7th August, 7th November, 7th February, 7th May. There's a soft landing in 2026-27 for quarterly updates, but your final declaration? No soft landing. That one counts. Third, you need HMRC recognized software. Excel alone won't cut it. Xero, QuickBooks, Free Agent, these qualify. Bridging software does too. Fourth, quarterly updates don't replace your year-end return. You still file a final declaration. It's due 31st January 2028, and penalties apply from day 1. Fifth, the threshold is dropping every year. £50,000 from April 2026, £30,000 from April 2027, £20,000 from April 2028. And once you're in, you stay in for 3 years minimum. Not sure if you're in scope? Missed an update? Don't panic. Call GM Professional Accountants.